This video is going to walk you through how you can ask a customer to give you a review on your Google Business Profile page. So the easiest way to access your Google Business Profile page so that you're seeing the same type of layout that I'm showing you here is when you're logged into your Google account, go up to the Rubik's Cube looking icon up here in the top right and click on Business Profile Manager. If you manage more than one page, it's going to take you to this Business Profile Manager view, and then just click on the one that you want to edit. If you don't manage more than one, then when you click on Business Profile Manager, it's going to take you straight to this view. And where you're going to go for asking a client to give you a review is you're going to need to copy the link to your Google Business page for the reviews section. So this ask for reviews right here is what you'll click on. And this pop-up, this is your link right here. So the best way that I have found, these are really not that effective. So the best thing is I have found is you just click this icon right here to copy this link, and then you can paste this link into an email, a text message, or put it on a social media post. If you would like an email template, I've put a template that you can copy and paste in the comments below in this YouTube video. And you can also right click here and do save image as if you would like to have that printed out on like a flyer somewhere that people can scan using their code. They can scan using their phone is what I meant to say.